2004 Harley Wide Glide EFI. Had it parked for a couple weeks. Came in to start it up. Had a crank and no start. So first we'll start out by turn the run switch to on. Hold down the button on the side of the gauge cluster, turn it to on. See, it goes into diagnostic mode. Click the button one time. Flash and P is the ECM module, so we'll hold the button down. See, we do have a check engine light. Have an active P1003 fault. Have a P1351 fault and a P1354 fault. The 1003 is open contacts on the main relay. The P13, let me go back and look at it. P1351 is open or low voltage on coil 1. 1354 is open or low voltage on coil 2. So I got to thinking about this, what could cause these three faults all at once. Of course, remove the battery, check the connections, everything's good and tight, checked all the grounds. Do have it on a battery maintainer. If we come down here and look at our fuse box, relay panel, this relay here right next to the gray one, this is your main relay. Part number, if it'll focus, come on. (31511-01A). This is just a 30 amp 4-pin relay. O'Reilly part number, here you go if y'all need it, 25-0137. Made in China, yay. And this is the new relay here. Now I have a fuel pump. And she's alive again. Do that sequence again. Go back into diagnostic mode. Hold down the button. Yep. Sorry, click the button once, then hold it down when it's on P for our PCM engine control module. Still have those codes stored in memory. Go to our code, hold the button down, clear them. Now we shouldn't have any fault codes stored. No fault codes found. So there you go. If you're running that situation, give that a try. I hope that helps.